Hello friends. In this video I am going to show how to root MIUI 12. You need unlocked bootloader to root. I am not responsible for any brick of your device. Let's start the video. Let's check my phone is rooted or not. You can see my phone is not rooted. Go to Film Manager and install Magisk app. Now turn off your phone and go to TWRP. Click on Install. Go the folder where you downloaded files. Now flash Magisk zip. Now flash plasma kernel zip. Now flash plasma kernel MIUI camera fix zip. Click on Wipe Dalvik bar catch. Now reboot to system. You can see Magisk has been installed successfully. Let's check my device is rooted or not. You can see my device is rooted successfully. I hope you have successfully rooted your device.